right, you guys, this is sound check with Becky Robinson, Devin, and little Sandy. Oh, and another dog. I'm this American dream. San Jose Improv is the moments before the madness.
It's our last show.
Our last show until summer break. I love you, Sam. This is my intro song by B. Spears, who we pray for all the time on this tour.
Handling
How are we
shit.
feeling? Last show of
Is
the
that gonna
weekend.
be zoomed in?
No. Let me zoom out. Last show of the weekend. How are we feeling? And this is this little superstar's fourth time playing this theater. Huge.
Best so far.
It's been pandemonium.
Here.
Pandemonium all
Pure
weekend.
pandemonium. Mm-hmm.
We're not ready to say goodbye.
That was crazy in sync.
That's right. We're like Dylan and Cole Sprouse. We don't really separate.
I think
References
Nikki,
are too
and then this is you. So let's just make sure that we do a full-blown.
Test, 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 test. 8 girls, 8 girls. That sounds, Yep,
I
that
think
sounds
this one's
good.
on point. This one is a little. This one I think we need some touching.
Name that movie. You don't know.
What was it?
Flubber?
Testicles ball in the marsh.
Flubber? No.
Come on, Dev.
How's that sound?
I just like it a little louder. I mean, yeah, that way.
You do, but does the crowd?
That's honestly, I think
I'm
that's
just
a good
kidding.
question.
No, they do.
But I said turn it up. Last night I thought some girl went like this, but it was just my material.